Guys, I'm gonna show you how I do my shading. Finally. Oh, and look at this beautiful background I have for my phone. It's the Mr. Bean Elisa. Okay, you go to Abyss Paint. Load. Load Abyss Paint. Load, please. You need to load. Come on, you need to load Abyss Paint. Abyss Paint, load. Don't mind that, I was showing my pen how to do something. Okay, what you do, if this ever freaking decides to load, why do you gotta be so slow, Abyss? Okay, what you do, create, and you take some art, and bam, you got your art. That's how I do it, you know? That's 100% how I do my art.